Shemai Ukulaliens from all over the world. Okay, so last week we hit 50,000 subscribers, and to thank you guys for all the support, I announced a giveaway of a Ukulaliens t-shirt. Okay, so we had a great response. I think we had about 40 entries altogether. Most of them were right. I know you had to work quite hard to get the correct answer. One or two people decided to tell me why they thought they needed a new ukulele in their own words. So before we do the draw to find out who the winner is, let's just have a quick look at the videos where the real answer was. Ooh, I should mention as well, this is a brilliant one, okay? As we're talking about UAS, it works for husbands, wives, parents, boyfriends, girlfriends, whoever's questioning you why you've got so many ukuleles. I need that ukulele. Why do you need that ukulele? To get rid of the feeling of want. Works every time. When I first saw this bass ukulele, 2017, they were released, I had to have one. I needed to have one. And just remember, why do you need it? To get rid of the feeling of want. Works every time. Right, so the answer to the question, why do you need that new ukulele, is of course to get rid of the feeling of want. Okay, right. What I've done, I've put all the correct entries into my lovely sun hat here, so we'll draw one now. Thanks to everybody who entered. I know it wasn't easy. Okay, right, give it a good shake. Let's pull one out. Little drum roll, please. Okay, I have a bit of paper. Let's find out who the winner is. Right, here we go. And the winner is Julie Hall, Washington, USA. There we go. Congratulations, Julie. I'll be in touch with you via email to sort out your Ukulaliens t-shirt. Thank you to everybody who got involved and entered. We had entries from all over the world. Julie is USA. I think there was Philippines, Germany, somebody from Wales, Scotland, a couple of other UK people. Few more from America actually, and a couple of Asian countries. So thank you for all the support, much appreciated. There will be a few new play-alongs coming later on in the week. I've been stuck doing a lot of schoolwork the last couple of weeks, but stay tuned for new uke play-alongs, and take care of yourselves. Thank you for the support.